welcome to Foodland. Today's dish is called Kheema Pav, which is very special and very popular street food in India and many other countries. And I would like to tell you that this is a very easy and simple recipe. Again, we can have just with bread or any type of paratha if you have. So, and especially for the kids, there is no bone in this dish, so it's just a minced chicken or minced lamb, so kids are really happy. Let's get started with the ingredients. Ingredients: we need 2 medium-sized onion, then we will have chopped tomatoes. I took 1.5 tomato, then ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, green chili roughly chopped, then keema. This is a chicken keema, it's a minced meat, it's a ground meat. And in the whole spices we will have clove, bay leaf, big cardamom 3 to 4, cinnamon 3 to 4 sticks, and 7 to 8 black pepper. Again, we need oil. This is cumin and coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, salt. This is roasted fenugreek leaves, turmeric, some green peas, and coriander to garnish. Here I'm taking 1/4 cup of oil. We need a little more oil than normal. Going to add the whole garam masala. And the cloves. I'm putting this bay leaf. Be careful, might splatter. Green chilies. Alright, so now it's time for ginger garlic paste. You can turn the heat low because oil is really hot. 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes. So it's time for onion. Let's get that in. And we will have to cook this one for around 5 to 6 minutes because we need this thoroughly cooked around 10 minutes. So oil is oozing out, as you can see. Now it's time for tomato. So this is 1.5 tomato, roughly chopped. Get this well cooked again. And I'm going to add some salt now because that's going to help cook faster. Just around 2 teaspoons of salt. So let the tomatoes cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Cover it with the lid. Alright, so look at this now. After 7 minutes or so, we have onion and tomato nicely cooked. So now it's time for all the spices. So let's add some turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, or you can add more if you want. 2 teaspoons of Indian coriander powder, and around 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Let's get all these spices mixed well I'm going to add little water in here. Just a little so that the spices won't burn. Just a little. So now let it cook. Alright, so as you can see, you see the oil oozing out. This is the right time to add this keema, which is a minced meat. This is a chicken minced meat. So you can use turkey or you can use lamb, as per your choice. I like the taste of lamb and chicken. I'm making it out of chicken. So mix it well. And this is going to be cooked now for another 10 minutes or so. I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover it with the lid. I've added around 1/4 cup of water. And now let it cook for another 10 minutes. Around 10 minutes, let's see how it's cooked. Look at that. Now, I think I'm going to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. And you can adjust your water level here. If you want to add more water, you can add. I'm going to add green peas at this point. Look at the color, wow. I'm going to add a little more water and keep it covered for another 10 minutes. Look at that. So, green peas and chicken both are well cooked. Now the last step is heating up some oil here in the small pot. And I'm going to get red chili powder in there and turn the gas off immediately. Now this one is going in. So this will enhance the color and taste both. One more ingredient and this dish is ready. This is fenugreek leaf, roasted fenugreek leaves. I have crushed, and this is the key ingredient in my recipe. Anybody can do this, especially college kids. Very good for the little kids. You can have it just like pav bhaji, if you know that dish. And this is ready now. As I said, this is a Indian street food and very popular dish. I'm going to have some pav, the bread, lightly toasted. I'm adding some butter and getting the bread slightly toasted. Alright, so we are ready to serve you guys a dinner. So here you go. As you can see, this is so delicious. Oh my god, I wish you could smell it, taste it. So I'm going to dish it out. Wow, look at that. And some garnishing on top of it. Alright, so this delicious and tempting street food is ready for you. It's called Kheema Pav. If you like this recipe, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and thank you for visiting Foodland again. See you next time. Bye-bye.
We will be judging is my mom's Kheema Pav. So I would say it's nice and moist, as you guys can see. So like there's like juice coming out of it. They're a very popular Indian street food. I remember this from when I went to India one time, and it tastes exactly like that. So you guys gotta try it. and this is amazing. Here's a bite through the camera. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.